In today's video, we're going to be talking all about cinnamon. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, but make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and make sure that you click the bell right next to the subscribe button, and that way you won't miss out and you'll be notified every time I do upload a new video. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about cinnamon. So we're going to be talking about the spiritual and healing aspects and benefits of cinnamon. Now, this is a part of my herb series that I have on my channel, so I have a bunch of videos already. I've done videos on cloves, I've done spiritual benefits of star anise, I've done peppermint, I've done so many, and I'm gonna be doing a lot more in the future, and I'm really excited. So make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out. So I'm gonna be telling you guys all about the beautiful spiritual benefits of using cinnamon. Cinnamon is a very powerful herb. Not only does it smell really good, but spiritually it can help you manifest faster if you use it, and it also attracts so many good things and blessings into your life. So you have the option of using a cinnamon incense, which I love because it's so easy. It smells really good, and it's very affordable. The one I have is by Zen Garden. And then you can use cinnamon sticks. I like to store mine in a little container where I can see it. I just love the smell of cinnamon. If you guys agree, then leave me a comment down below. And also you can use cinnamon powder. This is very cheap. This I got from the Dollar Tree. So you can get cinnamon powder, very inexpensive, and you get a lot of it, and you only need a tiny bit. So cinnamon is used to draw money, love, protection, and happiness to yourself, to your home, to your business, to your life. It's used for healing in China, and it has been used for healing in China for years. Cinnamon has been used in the mummification process in Egypt because it was thought to help preserve the body. Cinnamon has a very fiery, strong energy, so if you want to manifest something fast, you want to use cinnamon. One of the ways that I love to use this is, first of all, burning incense, because all you need to do is buy it and burn it. It's very inexpensive, it's easy, it's fast, it's quick. But if you want to go a little bit more, what I like to do is use a tea light candle, and I sprinkle a little bit of the cinnamon powder right over it. Now, if I want to attract money, I will sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon in a green candle and light that. Or if I want to keep my love life healthy and safe, I would sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon into a pink candle or red candle and light that. So when you are lighting candles with herbs in it, you want to make sure to watch it. Don't leave the candles unattended, because the herbs do catch on fire, especially towards the end of the candle. It catches on fire. So you got to be really careful when you work with candles and herbs together. Another thing that you can do is to tie a few cinnamon sticks together and hang it by your front door, or put it on your front door. What this does is it attracts love and abundance, and it also protects your family. Another thing you could do is tie a few cinnamon sticks together and put it by your front door, or hang it on your front door. This is done for protection, love, and a happy home, and to keep the abundance flowing. Another thing you could do is to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon powder in your wallet or in your purse, or where you keep your money, because this keeps your abundance flowing, it keeps prosperity coming in, it blesses your money. Cinnamon raises spiritual vibrations. So whenever you're doing your manifestation rituals, say you're doing the 5x55 method, scripting, you're doing the 2-cup method, you're journaling, or whatever manifestation method you like to use. And if you guys are not familiar with the ones that I just listed, I do have videos explaining all of these, and I'll link that down below. But whenever you're doing a manifestation ritual, light a cinnamon incense, because it raises the spiritual vibrations and it helps your manifestations to come to you faster. Now, if you don't want to use the incense, what you could do is, if you have a cup of tea or coffee or a glass of wine with you while you're doing your manifestations, sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon powder in there, and it's going to help your manifestation a lot. For all of those that are in a relationship, keep a cinnamon stick under your mattress or under your pillow to preserve your passion, to enhance the love in your relationship, to protect your relationship, to add passion back into the relationship. Now, how can you use cinnamon for healing? So I love to add cinnamon powder to my tea or to my coffee, sometimes even to my wine. Now, what does this do? Cinnamon tea helps to relieve cramps, and if you have gas or if you're constipated, cinnamon tea is really good for your tummy. It also enhances the digestion, and if you have the flu or you're sick, cinnamon tea is really good to help lessen the symptoms. Cinnamon is known to draw success to business. So if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or a creative, a blogger, or something where you're using your creativity or you have your own business, cinnamon is really good to draw customers and clients to you. What you can do is, if you have a business card, rub some cinnamon oil on the business card. Or if you have cinnamon incense, you can run the business card over the cinnamon incense. Sprinkle cinnamon around your front doorstep or around the front doorstep of your business to attract more customers, to protect your business, to keep clients and prosperity flowing in. Another thing that you can do is use an orange candle, because orange is the color of success and attraction. So you can use an orange tea light candle, jar candle, whatever candle you find. Write your name on it, the name of your business, and your birth date, and then you can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon powder all over the candle and then light the candle. This will attract business to you, attract clients, keep your business successful and protected. And it's something really easy that you can do, and it smells really nice and it looks really pretty too. Okay, so these are all the ways that you can use cinnamon spiritually. Cinnamon is very powerful for love, protection, and happiness and money. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to know more about different kinds of herbs, I have a bunch of videos that I've already done, and I'll leave those linked down below, but I have a ton more in the future. And if you guys want to know more about a specific herb, then leave me a comment down below and I can get started on that for you too. I believe in the power of herbs and the way they affect our everyday lives, the vibrations they carry. It's very powerful. So this is why I wanted to share this video with you guys, and it's so fun for me learning about new herbs and using herbs. It's just really fun and therapeutic, and it just raises my vibrations, and so I wanted to share all of this information with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!